Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start case study question number 57 of class 10th mathematics. And this case study question I have taken from my sample paper test number 9, question number 18. Many students have asked doubts in some bits. So let us start the context. Shweta went to a beach with her uncle. From a point A where Shweta was standing, a ship and lighthouse come in a straight line as shown in the figure. Okay, so based on this figure, some questions have been framed. So let us start with the first question. Which similar criteria can be seen in this case if ship and lighthouse are considered as straight lines? So in triangle, this figure can be replaced by one triangle, right? BC यहाँ पे ship है और DE height of the lighthouse है, right? Now in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, this angle is common. Angle A is equals to angle A, and angle B is equals to angle D, because corresponding angles, or if it is perpendicular also, right? So these two triangles are similar by a similarity criteria. So correct option is A bit. Now we'll move toward the second question. The distance between Shweta and the ship is twice as much as the height of the ship. What is the height of the ship? So here distance of Shweta and ship, so that is AB, is twice of the height of the ship, that is BC. So AB is equals to 2 times BC, it is given. So BC will be AB by 2, that is 20 by 2, 10 meter. So the correct option is B bit, right? Now we'll move toward the next third question. If the distance of Shweta from the lighthouse is 12 times the height of the ship, then the ratio of the heights of the ship and the lighthouse is. So according to the question, the distance of Shweta from the lighthouse is AD, and it is 12 times the height of the ship, that is BC. So AD is equals to 12 BC, it is given, and BC we already got, that is 10 meter. So AD कितना हो जाएगा 12 into 10, that is 120 meter. Now we have to find the ratio of BC and DE. सो ऑलरेडी हम लोग ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और ए डी ई, ये दोनों हम लोग सिमिलर प्रूफ कर चुके हैं, राइट? सो इफ दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. So AB by AD is equals to BC by DE, right? And this ratio is equals to 1 by 20 by, because this value is 20 and this value is 120. So this ratio is 20 by 120. So we'll get 1 by 6. Hence the ratio is 1 is to 6. So correct option is C bit. Now we'll move towards the fourth question. What is the ratio of the distance between Shweta and the top of the ship to the distance between the tops of the ship and lighthouse? So ship का जो top है वो C है और lighthouse का जो top है वो E है, और Shweta और top of ship is AC. That means we have to find AC is to AC by CE. सो सबसे पहले जो ट्राइंगल हम लोग कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूफ किए हैं, ट्राइंगल सिमिलर प्रूफ किए हैं, ट्राइंगल ABC सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल ADE. So their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AE. And this ratio is already we have shown that it is equals to 1 by 6. So हम लोग इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे, right? अगर इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे तो AE upon AC will be 6. Now we'll subtract 1 both sides. फिर यहाँ पे हम लोग LCM लेंगे. If we take LCM, we'll get AE minus AC upon AC, that will be equals to 5. If we subtract AE minus AC में से AE में से अगर AC माइनस करेंगे तो हम लोग को CE मिलेगा. So this will be equals to EC upon AC is equals to 5. Now we'll take the reciprocal. AC upon EC will be equals to 1 upon 5. So this is the required answer, and the correct option is 1 is to 5. Now we'll move toward the last question. What is the height of the lighthouse? So height of the lighthouse means DE we have to find. DE and already BC upon DE हम लोग को ratio मिला था third bit में 1:6, right? And the value of BC, that means DE is equals to 6 times BC, and the value of BC is 10. So 10 into 6, 60 meter. So this is the last bit, okay? And the correct option is here 60 meters. So this is the last question of this case study question. We'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you very much.